Hi, my name is Nadia. I'm a stitching instructor. I'm making videos for the beginners and for those who wants to learn. Today I'm going to teach you in this video how to transform man old shirt into a beautiful double frill top for a 5 years old girl. First I will remove its sleeves, collar, pocket, shoulder seams and side seams. All parts have been separated. Now it's time to remove the pocket. This is back side of my shirt, but I will make it front side of my top. And front side shirt, I will make a back side of my top. This is the front side of the shirt. I will remove this part. It is useless for me. Pocket has been removed. And I will remove this part also. All extra parts I have removed and 1/2 inch I fold for seams allowance. Measurement is completed. Now I'm cutting it. If you want to know how to take the measurement, you can watch my video. Link is mentioned in description and I button as well. I'm going to close it from the center. Now fold fabric and draw the straight line across the edges in order to close it. I have folded the back side of the shirt in order to make the front side of my top. Put the back side of the top on that and take the measurement. For neckline, I have made the slanted line from the shoulder slope to the bottom like that. After measurement, I am cutting it. After cutting it, look like this. As you know, this is the frill shoulder top, so this is the time to cut the fabric for frill. Take a sleeve and remove the upper part of the sleeve. I am taking 4-inch width and full length of my sleeve for frill. I will make 2 pairs of fabric for frill. Measurement is completed, so I am cutting it. I am making another set for frill. Each pair will join from the center. As this is the double frill shoulder top and I used black color fabric for second frill. I will cut 2 pairs of black color fabric for frill. Length will remain same, but the width is 1 inch more, that would be 5 inches. After cutting all pairs, I will sew them from the center. I will use black color lace to my front neckline. Each pair have joined from the center and after that I iron on that in order to give them more finishing. Now hem the neckline. Saw this? After him, I will apply black color lace on neckline. Backside neckline I also hem. As you see, neckline is completed. Now I will sew the shoulders. I have sewn the shoulders also. It's time to sew frill on shoulder. This is very important part of this top. There is no specific measurement for that. Draw a straight guideline downward to the armhole. One thing keep in mind, these guidelines started on the center of the shoulders. I will draw two guidelines front side of my top and two guidelines back side of my top. As this is sleeveless top, so before apply this frill, I will hem the both armholes. Armhole hem is also completed. You can see that. I will follow these guidelines and sew these frill on my top's shoulder. Now this is the time to prepare the frill. As you see, frill is completed and I will apply it on my top. These guidelines will help me to sew these frill very easily on my top. Sew very gently and slowly and make sure the central part of your frill will come on the top of the shoulder. Top stitch along the edge stitching give the more finishing look to the frill. As you see, both side frill have sewn. Iron on these. After doing that, both frill look a little bit more neater. Now close the neckline and the side seams. For neckline, I am pinning it. Sew all these. Neckline and shoulder seams are completed. This is the remain part of the old shirt. I will make a waistband with the help of this. I have sewn it with my top. Now I will fold it and make a waistband. Sew it also. As you see, I have sewn the waistband also. Now I am making a belt for my top. I am using black color fabric for this. I am taking 30 inches length and 2 inches width for this. Fold fabric lengthwise and sew a straight line across the edges. Pull the belt right side out. Attach safety pin at one end and wave the pin through the inside of the tube and pull it out on the opposite end. Remove the pin and iron on that. Take the safety pin again and thread it in the belt. This belt will go through the waistband. Pull it out on the opposite end. Now tie a knot. Your frill shoulder top is ready to wear. Hope you like this video. If you like, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon and share this video with your friends. You can visit my Facebook page also. Link is mentioned in description. Take care. Bye bye.